Hey folks, how's it going? In this video, we're going to set up automatic forwarding from our Gmail account to another email. We'll also get into how to send only specific emails, for example, emails that have a certain keyword or that come from a certain sender. Before we get started, make sure you have access to your Gmail account. For security reasons, you'll be asked to re-log in. You also need access to the forwarding email. If you're not the owner, ask the owner to forward you the email or the confirmation link. Finally, make sure you're on your desktop computer. You are not able to do this on mobile. Okay, let's get started. First, let's navigate to the top right here and find the settings icon. Press See All Settings. Then we're going to have to find the Forwarding and POP-IMAP tab, and let's press that. And then we can add a forwarding address. Here we're going to enter in the forwarding address that we want to send our emails to. In this case, I'm going to use one from Receipts AI. Now we have to re-verify and re-log in. Okay, now the forwarding address has received a request to confirm. Since I don't own this address, I can go back to Receipts AI and check for the confirmation email. In this case, we received the confirmation link, so we can open it up. Here's what you will receive at the forwarding address, so we have to press confirm. Now, the address that we chose is able to be forwarded. Great. Okay. Now that we've confirmed our email address, we'd actually have to set up forwarding. So let's head up back to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP menu, and then select Forward a copy of incoming mail to, and then this will be the forwarding address that you've just confirmed. In order for that to take effect, we press Save Changes, and voila. Now all our incoming mail will be sent to the forwarding address. If you don't want to send all your incoming email to the forwarding address, instead you can create a filter. To create a filter, I like to start from the inbox, and then you can press this icon here, Search Options. And then here you can enter all the criteria from which you can select exactly which emails you want to send. In this case, I'm going to use has the words receipt. If you want to explicitly search for receipt, make sure to include quotation marks. And then I want to also add an or invoice. To see if this is what I want, I first can search. And I'm finding, yes, it is finding receipts and invoices. So let me head back to the settings and create a filter. Here I want to select the box forwarded to, then select my forwarding address. Alright folks, that's it. If you set things up correctly, you'll see a notice on the top of your screen saying that you are forwarding your emails to a new address, and the notice will expire in 7 days. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a nice day.